I really love my role here at Foth.
It's fun, it's innovative.
It's fast-paced.
I'm a client team leader.
So a good analogy is you're the quarterback and you're also the conduit between Foth and the client. So you're bringing the client's best interests to the table when it comes to resourcing projects or hitting timelines or helping get new work.
As a CTL, I'm allowed to really focus on the type of client I want to work with, developing the relationship with the client, understanding the client's needs, knowing that I have a team that will support that.
They really value an entrepreneurial spirit. The size of our company and our 3 different business units of environmental solutions, production solutions, and infrastructure solutions, it's a very diversified company. We have so many resources that often leads to the conversation of, hey, we can do that.
You know, I may have a client that opened the door on a dredging job, but now we're doing wastewater work for them. We're solving that client's problems.
A day in the life of my role as a client director is a mix between talking to clients, either current projects we have going on or new potential projects. It's all about that client's need and not just hitting the street and trying to hit some sort of fictitious number in order to drive quarterly results. It's really about what's in the best interest for the client, because if you serve the client well, we're rewarded with repeat work.
There's enormous opportunities for people to grow within Foth.
You can grow into this role, maybe being a degreed engineer or have a degree in science, right? And then you want to become more client-facing. Foth will support you in that journey. I have a business degree, been in sales my whole life. I don't know the calculations and I can't draw it out, but being able to speak at a high level and enjoy that diversity of service offering is critical.
I would have to say that a great client team leader has to align with our culture.
Foth is one big family. If we are running into an obstacle with a client or a project and you raise your hand, it is unbelievable how fast people will jump on that train to help you.
You're allowed to grow in where your passion lies at Foth.
You're involved in the operation. You build relationships.
I've really enjoyed my transition from the public sector to the private sector. Whether it's from a career perspective, a family perspective, it was a great career move for me.